I heard about Wireless World through a friend. He came in here and was hooked up real nice, so he referred me to Wireless World. I had a shattered phone, a shattered screen, and I thought it was beyond repair. I got in here and got hooked up real quick, and I was in and out. They are tremendous compared to competition. I would absolutely recommend Wireless World to anyone. They are great.